Well, parents are often caught between a rock and a hard place when it comes to Halloween. You want your little princess or goblin to get a huge sack of candy, but at the end of the night you realize there's no way you want them to eat all of it. Well, Dr. Jared Evans of Kids Dental joins me tonight, and he has a solution. Thank you so much for being here. You want to make trick-or-treating a money-making venture for kids.
Absolutely. We're taking the holiday over.
It's so about tell time me the dentist how it works. How does it work?
Well, on November 2nd, which is Monday, from 4 to 7, what the kids will do is they can go to either Kids Dental out in Liberty Lake or the kids' place up on the north side, and they bring their candy, they weigh it, and we'll give them $1 a pound. Now, the nice thing is we get the candy out of the house. We're promoting a healthy thing for the kids, but then the candy actually goes to a group called Operation Gratitude, and the candy gets sent to the troops overseas in care packages for the holidays.
And that is a fantastic thing to do with the candy. Now, this is the second year you have done it. What was the response last year? The kids on board with this?
You know, they really were. We had about over 350 pounds last year, and we only had it came as an idea last year, and we only had about 350 pounds, but a lot of kids. Our goal is 1,000 pounds per office this year, so we're going for the ton.
Okay. If you're going to get rid of some of the candy in the house, what would be some of the things that are the worst in terms of kids' teeth?
Well, from a dietary standpoint, the amount of sugar is always an issue. But from a dental standpoint, it's the amount of time that the sugar's on the teeth. So you really want to avoid the real sticky candies, the ones that the kids keep on their teeth for a long time, the gummy candies, the suckers, those kinds of things.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Not very good for the teeth.
Well, if you have a sack full of candy you'd like to turn into cash, you can take it to the Kids Dental office located at 1327 North Stanford Lane in Liberty Lake. Are you going to leave this big bowl here by any chance?
Sure. And you know, this bowl's about worth $5.
Oh,
so you
never
can,
mind.
if you don't eat it all, you can sell it on Monday.
Send it to the troops. Send it to the, thank you for being here.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Dave?